Test, 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 test. Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. Oh, we sounding good. We're sounding good. What's going on, y'all? It's Friday, December 6th. Gonna be breaking some stuff down in a little bit, y'all. We're gonna be breaking some stuff down in a little bit. I'm not sure what's happening with this GU screen. Might have to refresh that screen. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's go ahead and refresh this screen really quick. Let me know if y'all can hear me good, y'all. Let me know if y'all can hear me good. Grab the stop loss later. So we got a few setups we're looking at right now. I'm in what a setup right now. So we got the infamous, non-farm employment change average hourly earnings popping off later on today. We'll be going live with the members and students during that. Those I was in the live stream yesterday, right? We went over like 3 different setups. We went over GN, we went over GU, GJ, and they're all going as projected, right? GU is doing the move I was looking for. So me and the members, we went for a GN setup. As you can see, when we first did the trade, SL got hit, right? But what I always tell y'all, when you're following these rules that I put into place, and members and students, you already know the rules I'm talking about. If y'all been catching up or caught up to our YouTube videos, you know what rules I'm talking about as well, right? But if you're following the rules I tell y'all to follow, you didn't break your rules, and stop loss gets hit, never assume that you was wrong. I know that might sound crazy to some people, but never assume that you was wrong, right? The first thing you gotta do is understand why it took place, aka why your stop loss got hit, why your stop loss didn't get hit, right? So again, when we look at GN, we was clearly in an uptrend, we clearly had bullish momentum, but we needed this resistance level to be held at support, because each time price would originally came up to this level, it failed to hold as support, right? But buys wasn't the wrong thing to go for. Another thing we can see is price clearly had a lack of volume, not just all week, but also when it broke and held this level. So again, when price hit the stop loss, did it blow through the stop loss and then start pushing down and tank to the downside? No. His stop loss slowly trickled and made his way back up. And then last night it broke this up, had a support. And then once volume kicked in, we could see clear volume in these counts as compared to doing the move we was looking for. So I ended up jumping back in that. So that's pushing up nicely. We're also looking at GJ and GU buys as well. Gold's coming in taking a nap here all week. But the game plan's still the same for gold, but as we see, it hasn't moved from this level all week. So it changes today. Going to be going live with the members students during the news event today, so members be on the lookout for the link. Yeah, but GN pushing crazy right now. I want to see what GJ looks like. If GJ could hold 192 as support, we could look for buys going to 193.65, also 195.15. All right, y'all. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at charts, drop them in the chat. Or we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Chilling, patiently waiting right now. Actually, gotta add some. Gotta add another level too. GN. So I'm going to do that real quick. Make sure to like the live, y'all, and subscribe as y'all hop up in here. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. If y'all have not watched it yet, make sure to check that out. I've been dropping videos all week for y'all, so make sure to catch up to the content this weekend. U15 just popped up. I just saw a little magic trick pop up. So for Achians right now, if we can continue to hold 1800 as support, we can look for continued back on to 1890. So that's what we're looking for right here. We're also going to keep an eye on GU and GJ. We got our alerts there, as well as gold. New 5 minute about to pop up. Just got the new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check if you haven't checked it out already. Dropped the link in the chat earlier. Those just joined the stream. We are not into this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal and free Telegram. You see your snap with the last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Let's see if we can break this resistance level right here. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. If y'all hit that first link in the description, you'll see that we send the live stream link out every day. And I did post a recap yesterday because, again, we took this trade. Well, I can actually show you this really quick. So first things first, let's just start off the week. So we got a lot of charts. Have been going as still check it out just so y'all can see how price was looking like at the beginning of the week, what my analysis was, price points, all that good stuff, and then compare to see how price is looking right now. And of course, we still got it today in market close to see how things are going to end, right? But Monday we went and caught a huge 203 pip move on GJ, which was which one was it? It was this sell setup right here. Nice 1-to-3 short ratio. Then let me make sure we're sounding good on the audio side, because sometimes I'll be going in and then y'all can't even hear me. Let's make sure we can hear me. Test, test, test. Okay, cool. We sounding good. We sounding good. Right. Then Tuesday, we caught another 107 pip move on GJ, which was this one right here. See, Tuesday, another nice risk short ratio. And then yesterday we broke down this G setup during the live stream as well as this GN setup. Now, me and the members went for this GN setup. And let me go ahead and show you all this. So again, this is an old trade. Obviously, we're here right now. So when I show this, nobody hopped into this trade. This is an old signal. Nobody hopped into this trade, right? All right, cool. So I dropped the New York price watch list for the members yesterday. I dropped it every day for the members. I'm going over the news and possible setups going into New York. And then you can see, well, you can't see it right now, but we was going over the charts. I went over this GN setup before we took it, right? But you see, this was the GN trade. You see the reactions. Let me go ahead and throw one on there too. You see the entry SL, TPs, and then you see we entered this right before 9 a.m. You see the 11:45 a.m. price was just consolidating, chilling right here, which you can see this was around this point right here. And that's why I took this screenshot to update the notes, just let them know what's going on. The GN is currently taking a nap. It's still holding this low though, so we just gotta wait and see. And that's when you see it hit our stop loss. But again, we had bullish momentum, and we then break any of our rules. So all we had to do was just watch to see what price was going to do next. Sold on the charts last night. Price broke back above this level, had a support, and then did the move we was looking for. So again, it wasn't wrong to go for a buy. It wasn't like a buy was the wrong move to go for, just simply a lack of volume. So that's how we're doing this week. So, can't complain about that whatsoever. And I'm skipping a day. Wednesday, we didn't take a trade. If I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's how we're doing. So either 2-1, but if you re-enter this, you'd be 3-1 for the week, which is not bad either way you look at it. Right? GN still treated as low as resistance. Got this alert here though, so as soon as GN does, I'm not GN, GJ. As soon as GJ does break this level, that will be the first to know. So we're just gonna keep it right here. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop in the chat. You see on your screen how we did last month, last quarter. You scroll up to December 1st, you'll see how we ended November. We went 14-1, gave us a 93% win rate. Absolutely dominated. Only took one loss last month. Same thing with October. We're 15-1 during October, give us a 94% win rate. And then, of course, once this month ends, we'll do the recap of that as well. If you scroll to October, I think it's the 4th. Yeah, October 4th, you'll see how we ended quarter 3. July, we went 16-5. August, 13-1. September, 14-2. And the quarter, 43-8, giving us an 84% win rate. Again, so we average high 9% as well as a quarterly basis. Yeah, right now we're just chilling. We're just like Gia do his thing. New 15 about to pop in a little bit. We got GN about to retest this level. GJ, as you can see, still trades low as resistance. Again, we do got high impact news at 8:30. Going to be going live with the members and students during that. We got the Canadian USD news, so make sure to keep that time in mind. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. I see you scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker underscore wait, TikTok underscore playmaker wait underscore. Yeah, again, it's the first Friday of the month, so don't be too shocked or surprised. The price is kind of just chilling, especially if between well, the new hour's about to start, so between 4 to 6, the price is kind of just chilling. Don't be too shocked or surprised. The price does that up until the news. Again, we're going live with the members and students during that, so members make sure to be on the lookout for the link. But again, we got Canadian USD news, we got influence average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. So make sure to keep that in mind. If y'all don't understand how to trade or go about trading on high impact news days, make sure to check out on the YouTube channel the How to Trade News playlist. We got a bunch of videos breaking out trades I took during and on news days as well. Videos going over the rules I go and follow on news days, all that good stuff. So make sure to check that playlist out as well as the other playlists. Again, just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out as well. We're going to see what this next 5 minute looks like. Again, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Yeah, we can take a look at EU. Let me see if I might have to ask the levels on it to see what. So EU is kind of in a similar situation from GU, but GU's already actually no, was on track to do so, but no, actually it did. It already broke that level here, which is where EU's currently at, right? So EU, we had bearish momentum, had this lower low get made, price failed to break to make another lower low. So now this support level is being respected as support. So a price breaks and holds 605 as support. We can see a reversal pop uptrend coming to around 675, right? But if it continues to low as a resistance, I wouldn't necessarily go for support. Now, if it continues to reject this level, I wouldn't really look for sales. Look back below like 520. But that's what's going on there. There's still bearish momentum, but depending on if it breaks those next level above us or not, we can see reversal into the uptrend coming into play. That's what's going on with EU. Again, we see this some consolidation taking place right here, just like we saw here. All right, so we got a lot of consolidation going on right now. But yeah, that's a quick analysis on EU. No problem. No problem. New 15, a new hour just popped up. So again, y'all, if it's just slow and choppy like this, it's probably gonna be like this up until the news event. But we're gonna see what happens going into this next hour as well. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram or messages. Make sure to catch up to the content. I'm dropping videos all week on YouTube as well as Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Members, make sure to be on the lookout for the link. We'll be going live later on today. And yeah, we'll be back at the same time next week, London session 3 EST.